Hi, I'm Claudio, and I'm an education evangelist at Adobe. Say I'm an instructor and I want to develop a study guide for a book we read in my class. I have a PDF copy of the book that I bring into Adobe Acrobat Web. Creating a study guide from scratch can take a long time, but with the help of the new AI assistant in Acrobat, I can create a draft in just a few seconds. AI Assistant provides a quick overview and suggests questions I can use to explore. I'm working on drafting that study guide, so I ask AI Assistant to create one for this material. It responds with a draft that includes an outline and key info like setting, characters, themes, and more. This is a great starting point. I can even click on the reference to the source in the book. I can easily copy the study guide into another document and continue refining it. The new AI assistant in Acrobat is an amazing resource for education. It helps me create materials for my class faster than ever so I can spend more time focusing on my students.